Let's go with y'all, man. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Today, we got Slimesito, BeezyB, BigSmokeChapo on the radar Cypher. Let's get some to it, man. See what they're talking about.
The next stop is
on the radar radio. Stand clear to closing doors. No. Talk to me. Damn.
Yes, sir, baby. On the radar radio freestyles. Yo, Slimesito, BigSmokeChapo, BeezyB in the building. I'm gonna step out. They all gonna step in and body this. All right, let's go.
I don't think you want to lead out there, my boy. I get it though, I get it.
You know I'm big RG, got that shit on my pen. I get to the block and I'm in the pen. I just locked up, level of defend. I'm switching out foreign niggas, think it's rain. 2 clicks on me, you know I'm riding 10. That nigga got a partner, I got his head train. Got 32 shots, yeah, I'm shooting like Pip. I got seen on steppers and stand on bend. Got water on me, but you know I'm not swimming. Yeah, missing that drink like a Kim. Got 2 FMs, I'm completing that mission. My shoe don't talk, man, I think from bread. I'm spinning his block, now they saying I'm trip. We standing on shit, we ain't doing no tip. I stand by the pot and you know I be whipped. I'm fucking your bitch, now I got a miss.
Fill up the spot with ammunition. On that L15 and it glitching. Having that VVS and it glisten. I got that shit out that goddamn kitchen. Play with the game, then you going missing. In my west side, bitch, I won't miss him. Now mama gon' miss him. I pull up Rick Owens on my lenses. Yeah, I pull up and I'm thugging in the trenches. I got a 30 round on my gap bitch on the block and we not on no rap shit. Rich line so these hoes wanna tap in. And all black now I feel like I'm Batman. Came up, run a trap and hitman. I ain't going in unless I get blicking.
Kevin 5'7" in his head. Real my boss, yeah, I'm with the commission. Them guys come in and I got him flip. I shot his partner, now he turned to Christian. Heavy shirt with a Louis bandana. Them shots get sent, now they send an amp. Your mans went missing, now he on the cart. We keep them sticks like we down with Spark. My gun spit lava, yeah, it's spitting mad. These niggas be broke, yeah, they selling plasma. I shot your partner, now his son a bad. He got hit with that ghost and they ain't talking cash. We shit bad niggas, they ain't got no blast. I got 5 shooters and they stuffing the active. Bullets be raining, now they use they hazard. Just like glass, we leave the nigga shot.
Now why they do that? I thought she was getting active. I'm like, oh, we ain't done no more. What the fuck?
Yeah. Moon bright, so it take time. Blast it on me like Akon. I cannot fuck with these soft ass niggas. These niggas are green like Draymond. Running this shit with a stash, yeah. I'm in that bit with a Glock with attachments. And my west side on a ratchet. I love the gun sounds, I'm an addict. We got that shit in the attic. Better shit before you be in a casket. I'm from the park at Jurassic. Black glove with a fuck in my mask. Shooting that Russian AK with 100 on it. Better make that boy do a backflip. We with some foreign bitches in a spot and they weighing up dope and it looking attractive.
I'm shot with 2 pistols on my head. I'm walking around and you know shit got me sagging. I'm posting in the jets, you know I've been flagged. Gold 911, man, I feel I been lagging. Rich slime global, yeah, you know we gon' stamp it. I'm in the projects, yeah, you know I'm trapping the band. Seen how rat catch tucking by my map. This shit GPS don't even got a map. We put a black trucks and everybody blast. This body bag gang, we know to get shit bright. I start dropping, yeah, this stuff shit track. Got 2-tone pistols and to match my fast. That chop start clapping, now the cameras flash. I told my niggas chill, the niggas be black. My downs stay fine, yeah, you know they jazz. Start asking my bodies, I don't know what happened. We popping niggas on the scene, getting nasty.
I sliding on blocks, then it's getting dressed. No, and they mad, but I keep that ratchet. I got foreign shooters and they talking slide. My switch be popping, nigga, like I drive. 50 band gang, and this shit symbolic. Niggas be hating, so they out of pocket. I'm not in Houston, but I keep that rocket. If niggas talk smoke, then you know I'm popping. Put him on the news channel till he break. Shoes do hits, I did it with persuasion. I get to the money, why these niggas cake? I up that 50 and I got it quake. I'm running this shit like I'm running race. I got all hundreds and they look at 8. I just shot a nigga, now it's finally paid.
Damn, I don't know who's who. I know Cito, of course, but I don't know who's who. The second dude that went in, I think both times, but definitely the first time. The second dude that came in, that's probably my favorite out the 3. Let me think. I wasn't a fan of Cito and the third dude in the last shit. The short dude. For flow, I'm gonna say in the first one, I'm gonna give 6.5 to Cito and the third dude. I'm gonna give a 7 to the second one. I'm gonna just put it in the description because this shit fucking my head up right now. But yeah. Anyways, man, let me know what y'all thought. Let me know who had the best verse out of the, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, links in the description. Get in tune. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all take it easy. Get bit. Good bit.